What if your AirTag battery lasted up to 10 years? Well, now it can with this extended battery case for your AirTag. This is an AirTag extended battery case designed to give you an AirTag a longer lasting power and protection. It has a built-in battery with up to 14 times the capacity of a standard CR2032. That means you can get up to 10 years of tracking without constant battery changes. Wow, what a lifesaver. It's designed to fit AirTag first and second generation securely without interfering with signal or tracking performance at all. And with the included adhesive, you can mount it almost anywhere you would like. It's perfect for tracking things like cars, luggage, bikes, and tools, and so much more. You can put this thing anywhere, and the waterproof design protects against rain, dust, and everyday wear. This thing is so great, and setup is super simple. Just insert your AirTag and go, and you're on your way to tracking wherever you would like. It's also impact resistant and can handle drops and rough use. Overall, it gives you reliable, long-term tracking with the peace of mind you deserve. And that was the extended battery case for your AirTag. Thanks for watching.